In class 11th, we are on chapter number 5, that is bank reconciliation statement. And on that day, in the previous videos, I explain you why the businessman prepares bank reconciliation statement, what is the need and how it is prepared. I explain you the reasons of differences between the balance of cash book and the balance of passbook. So today we are going to make the BRS. Today I am going to explain you the easiest way how to make the BRS. You can look at the screen now. BRS, first of all, you should know the balances of cash book and passbook. So my dear children, you can make table for that balances. See, these are the balances. This is balance table and I am giving you the easiest way. Debit balance of CB. Debit balance of cash book, it shows positive balance. We can say it is the deposit plus deposit plus it is a favorable balance. Just reverse it, credit balance of PB. That is deposit and favorable. Debit balance of cash book means there is deposit and your balance is favorable, or you can say plus, or we can say favorable. Favorable. Now reverse it. Credit balance of CB, that is overdraft, we can say negative or unfavorable. Unfavorable. And just reverse it. Now when we reverse it, that is debit balance of PB and that is overdraft or unfavorable. So you should learn this table. That table will be useful for you. How it will be useful, I am telling you. In the question, if they say what is the favorable balance, you can write debit balance of cash or deposit balance. Okay? Clearly visible? Am I audible, Mayur? Then table is visible. Now I am going to make another table for you. Another table means the table which is BRS. First serial number, detail, or you can say particulars, only 2 column, plus, minus, add, subtract. On the top, you will write BRS as on or as at on the specific date. So bank reconciliation statement is prepared on some specific date and with the few reasons of differences between balance of cash book and balance of passbook. So look at the screen. Now first of all, if that is debit balance as per CB, CB means cash book, that will be in plus column because that is favorable or that is plus, means your balance is deposit in the bank. Now one by one, each reason which we explained earlier, I explained you. Today I am going to explain you again. one by one. Check deposited but not collected by bank. Check deposited but not collected by bank, it means minus, because bank not collected your money. Now second, 2 you can make the pair, then it will be easy. Check deposited, issued but not presented for payment. Check issued but not presented for payment. Businessman issued the check, given the check, but they not present for payment. It means amount is plus in the bank account. Then next, bank debited some charges, like bank can debit some bank charges, SMS charges, ATM charges, that will debited. Debited means deducted. So bank debited charges, that will be minus. Bank credited interest, that will be plus. So my dear children, debited means deducted, credited means collected. Debited means deducted, credited means collected. Interest collected. Now, next. Sometimes bank made the payment. Sometimes bank collected the income. Like I am giving you my example, my salary is collected by bank and my insurance premium paid by bank. So that is again fifth and sixth. Bank made payment under standing order. Under standing order, and bank collected income under standing order. So when the bank made the payment, that is minus, and when bank collected the income, that is plus. Then last two, direct deposit. By anyone. Anyone can deposit in your account. Then it will be plus. Forget to send into bank. Forget to send into bank. That is minus. Dishonor. Dishonor means bounce. Dishonor means bounce. Minus. Last is some errors may occur. Some errors may occur. So you will check through errors if that amount is plus, you can put it in plus. If that amount is minus, you can put it in minus. So my dear children, this is the basic table for bank reconciliation statement. This is the easiest way you can make the pair of two. Then it will be easy to learn. First you will make, then I will explain you. See, check deposited but not collected by bank. Check deposited but not collected, it means amount is minus. Check issued but not presented for payment, that is plus. Bank debited means deducted charges. Bank credited means collected. Bank made payment under standing order. Bank collected income under standing order. Direct deposit by someone. Forget to send into bank. Dishonor. And last is errors, fraud, or maybe some mistakes. Errors or mistake. It depends. If that error increase the bank balance, we should add it. If that error decrease the bank balance, that should be subtracted. This is according to the balance of cash book. Now, if that is the passbook, the reverse effect. So next table, in case of PB balance, the effect will be reverse. The effect will be reverse. In case of passbook balance, the effect will be reverse. Means plus will be minus, minus will be plus. First note down the table, Noel John, plus note down the first, note down the table, then you will be able to do the numericals. In my opinion, Kanak Agrawal, please note down it. Kanak Agrawal, please note it down. Check deposited, not collected by bank. First you should note down, then I will explain you one by one, and it will be easy for you if you will make this type, two pair, then this one, then this one. So it will be easy for you to learn minus plus minus plus minus plus. For learning point of view. Now I am going to explain you, if you have copied it down. See, Vanisha, note it down, beta. Okay. Now see, children, look at the screen. Debit balance of cash book shows deposit balance. Credit balance of passbook shows overdraft balance. Deposit balance. This is favorable. Favorable means your amount is plus in the bank. Debit balance of CB and credit balance of PB. Savan, if our cash book is showing debit balance, it means deposit. And if passbook is showing credit balance, it means deposit. Reverse it. Then credit balance of cash book shows the overdraft, negative balance, and debit balance of passbook. Just reverse it. That is also shown. Overdraft. Overdraft means just type of loan. Withdrawal more than deposits. That is unfavorable balance. Now, this table you will learn when you will take the balance of cash book. If that balance is of passbook, then it will not work. Then you have to reverse it. So this type of table start with the cash book. If you have cash book balance, you will make table like this. If you have passbook balance, then just reverse it. Reverse means plus will be in minus and minus will be in plus. Now see, check deposited, not collected by bank. Listen carefully. I deposited a check into the bank, but not collected by bank. Maybe various reasons are there. There may be holiday. There may not be the date of, maybe the advance date will be there. Maybe the amount is unclear. Maybe the name is unclear. Various reasons are there. Maybe some cutting is there. That's why not collected by bank. Okay, that will be minus. And check issued but not presented for payment. I have given check to someone, go and take money from my bank account, and he is not going to the bank, then it should be A plus. Next two, bank debited some charges. Like I told you, for banking purpose, you have to discuss with your parents. They will guide you better. Bank debited some charges like ATM charges, SMS charges, various charges charged by bank. Even interest on overdraft also charged by bank, that will be subtract from our bank account. And bank credited interest. Bank never give you interest in cash. They just collect it in your account. That is added. Then bank made payment under standing order. You can discuss with your parents. Maybe they have given a standing order to the bank to pay the insurance premium, to pay the school fee, to pay the rent, to pay the income tax, that will be subtracted. And bank collected income also. Like my salary is going in my bank account, that is plus. Direct deposit. See, nowadays in online trading, online transactions, bank transactions, anyone can deposit money in anyone's account. Deposit, not withdraw. On that day also I told you about that. You can deposit money, your parents can deposit money in your account, same businessman can make the payment. Online transactions are there, RTGS. I told you in the functions of bank and business studies, e-banking, I explained you. That is direct deposit. Someone deposit in your account, that is added. If you made the payment, that is subtracted. Okay, then forget to send into bank. Sometimes we receive the amount but enter but not send to the bank, that is minus. Dishonor. Dishonor means your check, your money, order, or maybe some, like you don't know about that, bills of exchange. I will teach you that topic in chapter number 8. bills of exchange. That may be dishonor. Then what is the reason of dishonor? There are various reasons of dishonor. Say dishonor due to non-payment, non-date, dishonor, signs are not matching, dishonor, the check is stale. Various reasons are there. Maybe the amount is different in words and in numbers. The date is not clear. The check is cutting. Bank returned it. That is known as dishonor. Dishonor means bounce. And last is error. Errors means maybe the reason is for adding or maybe the reason is subtracting. So that may be added or that may be subtracted in our bank account. See, this pattern is on the basis of cash book. Now, if the question starts with the balance of passbook, if the question starts with the balance of passbook, then reverse it. Add will be in minus and minus will be in plus. This is the easiest way. So my dear children, as I gave you the example that my cash book and passbook is not matching, cash book is showing 1 lakh and passbook is showing 1000, then what should I do? I have to prepare BRS and find out these 10 points and match the balance of cash book. Match the balance of cash book with the balance of passbook. At the end, you will add and find out the difference. That difference will be treated as balance of passbook because starting is cash book, so the ending is passbook. Got it? Any doubt? Yes, my dear children, my 99,000 rupees could be matched if I prepare BRS. Bank reconciliation statement is prepared to match the balance of cash book as well as balance of passbook. If you have any doubt, you can ask. I'm sure you must understood. This 99,000 rupees can be find out with the help of preparation of bank reconciliation statement. These are the reasons of differences between the balance of CD and PB.